Hello YouTubers, Anthony Mwambazi from Antec Technical Services coming back to you with our live short series videos. It's been a while since we posted a video. So today we just want to excite you with another installation we've just done today. As you could see now, it's a LXP 12 kilowatts and with 18 panels on the roof at 575, and there's a nameplate of what the 12 kilowatts is for the South African version unit. Pretty much everything still stays the same. We've just bumped up the amount of power. Our combiner box here, as you could see, I've got 3 strings coming in from the rooftop. We have 3 Dyness batteries combined into a battery combiner box. And we have our 250 fuse disconnector with its fuses, and the screen is a touch screen. So currently there is your Eskom 241 12 watts. So right now the inverter is inverting. It's past 3 o'clock. Of course our solar window is between 9 and 3. It's dropped. So this is our LXP 12, and then moving along we've got our AC combiner box. We have our main switch from Eskom, our SPDs, our 60 amp changeover switch. Then we have 50 amp going in and 50 coming out of the system. And then moving right along on our main DB here, what we've done, we have brought in 63 amps straight to the changeover switch on the other end, and then outputting back to the main DB on the earth leakage to supply literally everything on the property. So the stove is gas, but the geysers will be running during the day. For the system is more than able and capable to power up the whole entire property. So pretty much that's our installation for the day. And I can just take you a bit on the screen of the 12 kilowatts. You got your settings there. So your basic settings will be your feed in. So we're not feeding back to the grid, so we clicked fast 0 export. And then the next from basic we have battery charge control. It's state of SOC. The battery charge current limit is set to 250 because this guy can do 250. And we've just triggered the AC charge, and we're working with state of charge voltages. And then on a discharge, this is what the screen looks like. State of charge, discharge current at that 250. And yeah, and there's a timer on this one, and you can scroll down on the discharge where you got your peak shaving, your smart load control on this unit. And it's got an advanced setup where we have to tell it that currently we're only using 1 string. We haven't loaded up the other strings. So we put in PV1 only, and it's got the CT there. We tell it that it's a CT that's working, and the CT ratio, and basically direction of the CT you can tell it, and charge last seamless switch, and all of that. And then that's our grid regulation. You click there, you say South Africa is 230 volts, the grid frequency is 50 Hz. This is where you get your battery type, lithium, and it tells you Dyness battery, and then parallel, we're not paralleling in. And then then debug would be something for another day. And then you got your device info of the unit itself. And we go to the settings here, the solar VP1. You could see currently the first string is producing that. And then we can go to battery. V battery gives us power charge at the moment. Power discharge is not discharging at the moment. We have our state of charge currently at 69%, moving for 100%. And yeah, and then the BMS, everything seeming to be communicating very well. Then you got your grid settings that you could do a setting the 12. Then we've got our UPS settings on the 12, and then it's got other. Let's have a look there. Some of this stuff looks gibberish, but everything looks fine. And then we got our alarm where any of these will light up if there's a fault. Fault status, we've got alarm status, fault record, alarm record, and back to home. I also noticed something at the bottom that seemed to be exciting on advanced info, so I can actually set the alarm, the buzzer to come. But I think the buzzer is reset. I don't know how to set that up. But hey, what I'm excited about here is we don't have smiley on this guy, but we do have the warnings, the normal and the fault. Well, YouTubers, it's Anthony Mwambazi from Antec Technical Services, excited with our new install for the day. You can catch me on 082-3427-946. 082-3427-946. And it's Anthony signing out. Goodbye.